If you've been involved in an accident and have personal injuries, you need to understand that there are different categories of damages in which you're entitled to recover money for. And what this means is that there's different ways in which your life has been affected. And so you need to understand this in order to get the most money in your pocket in the end. And more importantly, you need to have an attorney who understands how this works. Hi, I'm Debbie Taussig. I'm a personal injury lawyer here in Colorado. Now, the first type of damages that I want to talk about are what's called economic damages. So this includes medical bills, lost wages, and any other out-of-pocket expenses. But what's important to know is it doesn't just include your medical bills or your lost wages from the past. It includes what you need for future treatment and for the way that your lost wages are going to be affected in the future. And so it's important to have the right people on your team and experts that can help you put together these types of injuries so that the insurance adjuster or a jury can understand them. The second type of damages is what's called non-economic damages. Now, this is another broad category of damages because this can consist of the pain that you've endured, all of the way that your life has changed that doesn't have an economic value to it. And so it could be a lot of the things that you used to be able to do in the past and you can't do anymore. It could also be because you're depressed and anxious, and often people who have been injured and have had huge changes in their lives are depressed and anxious. And so this is something else that you need to look at carefully and have the right people on your team to put together these types of damages for you. The third type of damages is what's called a permanent injury. And this is important because this means that your injury is permanent and is never going to go away. It could be something as huge and significant as being in a wheelchair, but it could also be because you have an injury to your spine that is going to cause pain for the rest of your life. If you're watching this video and have been involved in an accident and have personal injuries, I know that it can be overwhelming. There's a lot of things to consider and you need help. So please give us a call and we can walk you through every step of the process.